Today we'll talk about how can you disable allow groups notifications on your LinkedIn Learning app. So all you have to do, just go down, click on my Learning down here. So then you come to this list, you click on your name, then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it, and you come to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down here, then you click on account settings. So then come to this list, you just switch into open video. It's going to take a time. So then all you have to do, you just click on notifications, and you come to this list, you click here on groups. So then come to this list, you come to allow group notifications, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean allow group notifications disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.